Manufacturing transforms lives. Design connects the world. Welcome to Jiangmen Guanying household. Our 6,000 square meter facility is equipped with cutting machine, hydraulic press, punching machine, flanging machine, automatic CNC machine, drilling machine, lathe. More than 20 advanced production equipment, such as automatic welding machines. Each process can be shipped through strict sampling inspection to better ensure product quality. Behind smart production lies our obsession with detail and understanding of client needs. Let's take a closer look at some of our signature products. This tea tin canister is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel material, which is sturdy and corrosion resistant. The canister is designed with a double-layer lid, outer lid plus inner lid, to further enhance the sealing and aroma retention capacity, featuring a variety of capacity options. The appearance of the mirror, sanding, painting, plating, and other processes, both practical and beautiful, to meet the different aesthetic and use requirements. This handheld lemon juice presser is made by 304 stainless steel materials, which is durable, corrosion resistant, and doesn't react with fruits juice. Never need to worry about the health problems. We devised the optimal bowl size and added reinforced hinges, thick casting, and strong levers. Your hands will never run out of juice when using our thickly formed, silicone-bonded handles. We provide end-to-end OEM and ODM solutions, including structure design, function customization, and packaging development. Our products are exported to over 20 countries, covering B2B bulk orders, supermarkets, gifting programs, and B2C e-commerce. We offer 24/7 multilingual support with dedicated after-sales reps. Over 5% of annual revenue goes into R&D, driving innovations in sustainability, ergonomics, and home design aesthetics. Jiangmen Guanying household, connecting the world through manufacturing, enriching lives through products. We look forward to building the future with partners worldwide.